Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Redding, a professor, epidemiologist, and nurse. Have you found yourself isolated or disconnected in your professional life? Are you longing to be among colleagues who truly share your commitment to longevity and wellness? Do typical conferences and online courses leave you feeling drained rather than inspired? Well, Immersive Explorations offers a compelling solution: experiential learning in Italy, a place where you can learn for yourself how to live longer and better. And importantly, pass this information along to your patients. Our programs reconnect you with your passion, provide hands on insights into your longevity practices, and rejuvenate your approach to patient care. This is your invitation to rediscover joy and purpose in your professional life. So join us. Be the first in line for Italy.